Hello everyone. I've been a little remiss in not posting a video of my old Chevy. I've had this about a year and a half now. It's a 54 150. I had previously posted some videos, short videos about it that since somehow got deleted, but this is the latest and this is the update. So it's a perfectly running and driving car now. It's been modified with a V8 engine, V8 350 Chevy, a 55 Chevy rear, turbo 350, hopefully soon to be a 5-speed stick, but the body is completely original. I haven't done anything to it. It's a half faded green, but it's super straight and it looks amazing. I'm not going to paint it. People ask me all the time, am I going to paint it? No, I'm not. This came out of a barn in Oklahoma. Was brought to Texas where an old timer started to restore it, but lost interest in it, and that's when I got it. When I bought it, it had a blown engine, so I pulled it and I swapped it out. Inside, it's black and white seats. This is actually boat fabric, so it's super strong, easy to clean, no problems there. It's got a 52 steering wheel and adapted power glide shifter to the turbo 350. It's got dolphin gauges in it, which frankly I'm not too excited about. I love the look of the originals, but the previous owner put those in, so I haven't messed with it. He also did a great job on the dash. The guy really knew his stuff. He was really good. This car originally came with no heater. Believe it or not, it was an option in '54, and this being a Texas, Oklahoma car, had no heater. So I thought about putting one in. It's a major hassle, so I haven't gotten to it yet. So I got this cheap little thing online, this little electric heater here. And you know, if it's 40 degrees or above, this little thing is good enough. I haven't tried it when it's freezing out, and it probably wouldn't be enough, but for now it is. It just has a little plug, plugs right into the cigarette lighter here, and it can also work without the heat, just as a fan, but I can't imagine that would be very good. Show you under the hood. Bear with me while I get the hood open. Here we go. So it's got an aluminum radio. This is just a generic job, nothing special, and it works great. The wiring is all new. The old wiring was shot. The previous owner modified an original oil bath air cleaner, and this is not oil bath anymore. It's actually got a filter element in it, as you can see, but he did a really nice job with it. It looks super, super cool. So this is the engine that I put in. Still got manual brakes, but all new. Every single thing in the front end, the kingpins, everything is new. The brakes are all new. So it runs and drives really well. Super smooth. Just an overall great car. Starts great, runs great. I love this thing. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Usually I don't keep cars this long. I get them, fix them up, and sell them. But this one is, I mean, listen to how easy that started. This one is a very special car. I don't have a radical cam in the engine, so it just idles like a dream. Just a fantastic car all around. Another modification is this, the hood bird is gone, and this original hood strip is gone. It's been replaced by this deal here, which is kind of cool. The previous owner did that, and I like it. I don't like a lot of trim on these old 50s cars, particularly when they're this style with the 150. Another neat thing he also did was he modified the tail lights. They're supposed to be red and white, and he modified them. It's red and red, and it looks great at night, really great. It's got dual exhaust on each side. This rear bumper is all new. No front bumper. The front bumper is shot and I haven't found a good one yet. I have the middle pieces and the bumperettes, but not the end pieces. But I really like the look without the bumper. I really do. So we'll see what I do with that. Next project is seat belts. This has none in it, and I want to put lap and shoulder belts. So that'll be the next project. I'll probably take a video of that so people can see how easy it is. I think it's going to be simple on this car. Much easier than the Tri-5s I've owned. And speaking of Tri-5s, I've owned plenty of those and worked on plenty of those. These 54s are better cars. They're more solid, a little bit smaller. In my opinion, they look better. They're just better cars. The steel is thicker. They have factory front sway bars, which the Tri-5s don't. So it handles better. Just an all-around better car. That's my opinion anyway. So that's my Chevy, 54 Chevy 150. Hope you enjoy it.